Isn't it frustrating when you're feeling all blocked up? Well, fear not, because today we're exploring some simple home remedies to beat constipation. Imagine a day starting with a delicious serving of fiber-rich fruits like apples, oranges, or pears. These handy helpers are packed with fiber, the secret ingredient that keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Make it a daily habit to munch on 1 or 2 pieces of these fruits, and you'll be surprised at the difference it makes. Now consider a refreshing smoothie. It's a fantastic way to get a hefty dose of fruits and veggies all in one go. Here's an easy-to-make recipe. Throw in a ripe banana, a cup of spinach, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk into a blender. Whiz it all up and voila, you have a delicious digestion-friendly smoothie. Don't forget about the role of whole grains in maintaining a healthy gut. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, these are your digestive system's best friends. Beans are a fiber-rich option too, though they might make you a tad gassy. Incorporate these into your diet and you'll be well on your way to regular bowel movements. Remember, hydration is key. Dehydration can lead to constipation, so ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. If plain water seems too mundane, jazz it up with a slice of lemon or cucumber. Stay hydrated and your body will thank you. For all the coffee aficionados out there, your morning cup of joe can also help get things moving. However, moderation is crucial. Too much caffeine can cause other issues. Aim for just 1 or 2 cups a day. It's also crucial to steer clear of processed foods as much as possible. These are typically low in fiber and high in unhealthy ingredients. Instead, add some physical activity to your routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or even dancing around your living room, movement helps your digestive system do its job. And there you have it, straightforward home remedies to combat constipation. If you're dealing with severe or persistent symptoms, it's important to seek professional medical advice, but for the average person just looking for some relief, these tips should do the trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep it moving.